To use a quadratic formula, first you need to know what A, B, and C stand for. So the A over here is 5, B is 1, as the coefficient to x is 1, because we don't write 1 in algebra, and C is -11. Now the next part is to actually know the quadratic formula itself, because in the exams they will not give it. So let's say if we were to write this on the calculator, it will look something like this. And you want to make sure that the brackets are always there, because they might affect the answer. So now that we do have the quadratic formula written, then you just find the first answer, and you find the three significant figures, because that was asked in the question itself. So one part would be 1.39, and then if we were to change this into a minus on the calculator, minus 1.59. And then for the answer, you can simply write this. So these questions will most likely come in your non-calculator test. So remember, we have to just find the A, B, and C. So A is 1, B is 6, and C is -11. Then we just want to substitute these numbers within the quadratic formula we know. So -6, we want to write plus minus because we're not writing this on the calculator. And then you write square root 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times -11 over 2 and 1. So what we do now is minus times 6 is simply -6, and then plus minus 6 squared is 36, minus 4 times 1 is 4, times that by -11 is -44, and then over 2. The next is -6 plus minus 36 minus -44, simply, which is 80 divided by 2. So square root 20 times by square root 4, we can simplify that into 2 root 20, and we can simplify the root 20 again. So root 20 equals to root 4 times root 5. We can simplify this, being, that'll be 2 root 5. So 2 times 2 root 5 simply is 4 root 5. So -6 plus minus 4 root 5 divided by 2. And once we divide this by 2, -6 divided by 2 is -3, plus minus 4 divided by 2, 2, and root 5. So this will be our final answer.